and we're approaching the big church. Speed is still 60.
Put this in your shirt pocket.
My shirt pocket? I've got a belt clip I can put it on.
Throw it in right there.
Okay. Alright, what was the vehicle again?
First of all, we're going to be going 40 west.
Okay. So they should come around the corner.
Okay.
And then when they come around the corner, you get to going, and you say 236.
Okay.
First of all, passing JFK Boulevard, speeds are 60, light traffic.
Now call, go.
Alright.
Go, go, go.
Out on 2030, 1037.
Siren.
Roger, but you can
Speed up, speed up, speed up.
TBI?
Yep.
Alright. It's attempting a TBI.
That's the sign. Turn. Push, push. There you go. And now brake. Perfect.
TBI.
Perfect. About 3. Just get on the back side, right?
You're cutting yourself off.
There you go. Now we're going to get out of the line of fire.
Get down!
No, they're doing the calls,
okay.
So we're just here to support. Adam 20.
Adam 28.
Okay, successful TBI. Throw the takedown at the 152.
They're right there.
Ready? Yeah.
Yep. So just watch the car and watch her, and then we'll get her.
I'm going to get her if you guys want to cover me.
Yep.
Why'd you throw your stupid pants? Stop. Why'd you throw them?
I'll just move it over here.
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
How you doing?
Why'd you throw them? Stop. Do not grab my hand.
We're 1015.
We'll just move our car over here.
Okay.
No, we'll flip it out.
Right.
Load off your base, 1064, resuming traffic 1129.
then stop the camera and
Okay.
save it as